How to fix your iPhone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you will want to do is simply head over to your control panel. And on your control panel, simply toggle on and toggle off your Wi-Fi. Now, whichever it's not working, your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth, make sure that you toggle it on and toggle it off a few times and then check if it's working. Now, sometimes your Wi-Fi might not be working, so that might be the issue too. So after you've done that and made sure that your Wi-Fi is working and the Bluetooth you're trying to connect to is also working and the problem is on your device, again head over to your control panel, make sure that you turn on your airplane mode and turn it off and then check if it's still not working. Now after you've done all of these and it's still not working, head over to your settings, head over to general. Under general you should see some option that's called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now tap on reset. And after you tap on reset, you should see reset network settings. Now your Wi-Fi network and your Bluetooth networks settings will get reset. So tap on it and then type in your phone's password. And after you do that, your iPhone might restart. And after you've done that, your problem should get fixed. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can fix your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working on your iPhone. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.